What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks: Apple, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Facebook, and Microsoft. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, consider joining the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into Apple. And if you look at the market right now, everything is pumping, going back up to the upside. SPY's up $5 on the day, 1.22%. And also, Apple stock, once again, if you caught this dip, you made money here on Apple stock for last 4 days. And I said it before, guys. If you're looking to day trade or swing trade, we have strong support at 140 and then 138. So not much downside here on Apple stock. And if you bought that dip, you should be up nicely on your position here on Apple stock. And now we're trading above 142.52 blue line 5 SMA. And looks like we're heading for 145. We also saw 145 on Friday, and this thing can definitely move. We still got about 10 minutes left here in the trading session. So Apple stock can definitely move back up to 145, and tomorrow we're getting that CPI data, so anything can happen tomorrow, guys. We could see Apple breaking out, going above 145, 147, breaking white line 20 SMA and shooting for 150. And we could see that center rally that we've been talking about going into tomorrow and also going into Wednesday FOMC meeting. Or if the numbers are hotter than expected, yes, we could see a dump off in the market. And in that case, Apple could be coming back down to 140. And if that gives up, watch out for 138. This gap down here will get filled and then possibly will go even lower, all the way down to 135. And now we're going to look at Tesla, which is getting decimated by Elon Musk, selling out and getting more money out of Tesla. And only reason I can think of, end of the year, tax purposes, Elon Musk is selling and he's going to buy back probably going into next year. Now Tesla is crushing, but these are some great opportunities in the market here on Tesla to go long. I got 500 shares and I'm willing to add even more. If this thing drops down to like 150, 160, I'm not adding any more here. And I'll tell you why. Because if you look at this monthly chart, we got 50 SMA sitting at 160. So that's where we could be coming down to here on Tesla, 160. And possibly we can hold 160 as a support here on Tesla. And that's going to be a big level of support. As of right now, looks like we're breaking that previous 52-week low, and if that happens, definitely only $7 away, we're going to see Tesla hitting 160, and who knows, possibly even 150. And that's going to be an even better opportunity here on Tesla to go long term, and that's why I want more shares, but I want it cheap. Now going into tomorrow, guys, Tesla, we have strong resistance at 175, and now that we're breaking below 170 also, that's going to be a resistance here on Tesla. To the upside, 170, 175, and then 182, white line 20 SMA. If the CPI numbers are, better than expected, we could see Tesla going back up. In the short term, we could possibly see 175 to even 180 tomorrow. I don't see much of a downside as of right now. Let this Bollinger Band come down a bit more. As of right now, I would see 165 absolute bottom here on Tesla until we get this Bollinger Band to come down even more, down to 160. So now we have strong support at 165, 166, and that should hold. And below that, we can think about 160, the one I showed you guys on that monthly chart. To the upside, we have resistance at 170, 175, 182.22, white line 20 SMA. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, we're up almost $7 on the day, and Microsoft is exploding above 250. This thing can move even higher, all the way up to 256, 255, and then 260. Strong support at 250. Below that, we have support at 248, 246, and we gapped up today. So we got a gap down here right around 245. And now we're going to look at Meta. So on Meta, we're back down to almost 112. And now if you look at my screen, trying to recover and holding above 114 once again as a support, white line 20 SMA. This thing holds 114 as a support. We're going to see tomorrow 117 to even 124. Below 114, watch out for the support at 112. And if that gives up, 106 down to even flat 100. And now we're going to look at Amazon. On Amazon stock, we're up 1.64% on the day. And once again, just like I said before, that Amazon gets down to 87, lower Bollinger Band will act as a support. And it's holding for last 3 to 4 days. And if you bought that dip at 87 or 88 or even 89, you still made money here on Amazon. Now we are sitting above 90. Now what's going to happen tomorrow? We have strong support at 90 here on Amazon. If that holds, we are going to see Amazon going back up to 92 to even 93.35, white line 20 SMA. And above that, watch out for $95 going all the way up to 97, and who knows, maybe even 100 possible here on Amazon going into tomorrow and also going into Wednesday FOMC meeting. Now this one, even if there is a drop, I don't see Amazon going below 85 at this point. That would be extremely oversold, going below lower Bollinger Band, which is sitting at 87. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, we're also up 0.5%. And this one also, guys, I said it in my last video that watch for this lower Bollinger Band to act as a support. And looks like we held that support. Came all the way down to 91.90, but end of the day, we're holding above 92.43, holding lower Bollinger Band as a support. If that holds tomorrow, we're going to see Google going back up to 95, blue line 5 SMA, and then possibly up to even 97. Above 97, 100 is possible here on this one, but below 92.43, that is going to be extremely oversold. But in that case, we could be coming all the way down to 89.57 to fill this gap down here, and that's going to be an absolute dip buy here on Google stock. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Watch those levels going into tomorrow, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.